Nothing ruins camp cooking faster than greasy hands, dirty utensils, and a water jug that spills every time you touch it. I learned that after buying a so-called portable sink that leaked in the car and tipped over at camp. Great start to the weekend. Choosing the right model is tricky because some sinks are bulky, some have weak pumps, and others create an entirely new problem, storing wastewater. So I tested 5 popular options to find out which ones are actually practical. 5. SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station. The SereneLife is best for families or event organizers who want a freestanding hand washing station without electricity. The first thing I noticed was how much this feels like a proper sink rather than a bowl sitting on a table. It has an integrated freshwater tank, a basin, a faucet, a soap dispenser, and a towel holder. You fill the base, step on the foot pump, and water flows from the faucet. Simple. No batteries, charging cables, or complicated setup. That foot-operated design is useful when your hands are covered in burger grease, bait, mud, or whatever mysterious substance your child just discovered. You know the one. Because you don't touch the faucet, the washing process feels more hygienic. The flow was steady enough for rinsing hands and lightweight cookware, although it certainly didn't have household water pressure. Mobility is decent thanks to the built-in handle and rolling wheels. Here's what matters though. Move it before filling the tank. Once loaded with water, it becomes heavier and more awkward than the word portable suggests. The plastic construction also feels somewhat hollow in places. It handled normal campsite use, but I wouldn't drag it aggressively across rocks or throw heavy equipment on top of it. The drainage hose lets you direct used water into a separate container, which is convenient but not completely self-contained. You need to position the hose carefully and follow campsite rules for collecting gray water. I also found that the station works best on flat ground. Number 4. Mighty Sink Portable Sink. The Mighty Sink is best for car campers who want an electronic faucet and a more modern washing setup. Unlike the SereneLife freestanding, the Mighty Sink uses a compact countertop-style design. The electronic faucet delivers water with minimal effort, and that immediately makes washing dishes feel less primitive. Press the control, and there's your water. After manually pumping other sinks, I'll admit this felt pleasantly civilized. Camping luxury has officially arrived. The basin gives you a defined area for rinsing cups, plates, vegetables, and utensils. I particularly liked it as part of a camp kitchen because it kept splashes and food debris away from the cooking surface. The faucet also provides better control than pouring from a large water jug, so I wasted less fresh water during quick rinses. But electronic convenience comes with responsibility. You have to keep the faucet charged and protect its electrical components from careless handling. If the battery dies during a longer trip, the sink loses its biggest advantage. I mean, nobody wants to explain that the camping sink stopped working because somebody forgot the charging cable. A manual backup would make it more reassuring off-grid. The setup also requires thought. You need space for the basin, clean water, and wastewater management, so it can occupy more of your camp table than expected. It's portable, yes, but it isn't the lightest grab-and-go option. Packing several separate pieces can also become mildly annoying when you're breaking camp in the rain. Yescom Portable Sink. The Yescom is best for larger groups that need a straightforward, high-capacity hand-washing station. During testing, the Yescom felt immediately familiar: a tall, freestanding basin, a refillable water base, and a foot-operated pump. That familiar design is actually a strength. Fill it, connect the drainage arrangement, pump with your foot, and start washing. There is almost no learning curve, so guests and children can use it without a 5-minute demonstration. The hands-free operation worked well while cleaning up after food preparation. I could rinse both hands without touching the faucet, which helps prevent raw food residue from spreading around camp. The integrated soap dispenser and towel holder keep essential items together instead of scattered across a picnic table. That sounds minor until the soap disappears for the 3rd time. Its larger body makes it useful for family camping, festivals, work sites, and outdoor events. The base provides reassuring stability when properly filled, while the transport wheels help when relocating it. The water flow isn't powerful, but it's controlled and sufficient for hand washing, produce rinsing, and lightly cleaning smaller utensils. The Yescom still requires a reasonably level surface, and it occupies considerable storage space. This is not something I'd recommend for backpacking, small hatchbacks, or minimalist campers. However, it feels better suited for repeated group use than some cheaper stations. The controls are mechanical, meaning there's no battery anxiety when you're miles from an outlet. 2. Boxio Wash. The Boxio is best for van travelers and organized campers who value compact, self-contained storage. Now, this is where the list gets interesting. The Boxio packages the washing system inside a stackable box-shaped format. Instead of carrying a tall station, loose basin, and random containers, you get a compact unit designed around clean water supply and wastewater collection. Everything feels intentional, tidy, and refreshingly easy to store. The pumping system provides running water without requiring a permanent plumbing installation. I used it for washing hands, brushing teeth, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning breakfast dishes. The controlled flow helped conserve water, which matters when your supply has to last through the weekend. At camp, every careless splash is tomorrow morning's missing coffee water. Wastewater management is one of its strongest advantages. Used water collects separately instead of draining onto the ground or requiring an improvised bucket. That makes the Boxio especially useful at regulated campsites and inside vans, where spills and odors can become serious problems. Removing the container for responsible disposal is far cleaner than wrestling with an open tub. Its rectangular shape packs efficiently beside other camping boxes, and the overall construction feels well considered. Of course, the compact form means the basin and water capacity aren't unlimited. Large pots still require careful angling, and families may need to refill it regularly. But those are reasonable compromises for a sink that fits into a much smaller footprint. Alpcour Portable Camping Sink. The Alpcour is best for most families who want the strongest balance of usability, capacity, and value. The Alpcour takes the familiar freestanding design and gets the important details right. It combines a generous refillable reservoir, foot pump operation, an integrated basin, a faucet, a soap dispenser, and a towel holder. Setup was quick, and within minutes I had a useful hand washing station beside the camp kitchen without needing electricity or plumbing. The foot pump produced a predictable stream while keeping both hands free. I used it after handling food, cleaning muddy gear, and rinsing everyday dishes. It encourages you to use only the water you need rather than tipping half a jug over one spoon. The basin is also positioned at a comfortable height for most adults and older children. I especially appreciated how stable the base felt after filling it. The built-in wheels and handle help during transport, while the drainage hose gives you control over where gray water goes. As always, connect it to a suitable collection container and follow local disposal rules. Responsible camping includes the unglamorous stuff too. Yes, it's bulkier than the Boxio, and no, it won't disappear into a backpack, but for car camping, family trips, outdoor parties, and emergency hand washing, the size feels justified. There's no battery to charge, the controls are intuitive, and every major feature has a clear purpose. Nothing feels included merely to look impressive on a product page. So, which one belongs at your campsite? Choose the SereneLife or Yescom for group hand washing, the Mighty Sink for electronic convenience, and the Boxio for compact van storage. But for the best all-around balance, the Alpcour takes the top spot. Just remember to set up your gray water container before washing the dishes. Trust me, that is a lesson you only need to learn once.